James Chadwick, left, the head of the British mission, confers with Major General Leslie R. Wright, the director of the Manhattan Project. Britain contributed to the Manhattan Project by helping initiate the effort to build the first atomic bombs in the United States during World War II, and helped carry it through to completion in August 1945 by supplying crucial expertise. Mark Oliphant, an Australian physicist working in Britain, was instrumental in making the British results known in the United States, and this encouraged the expansion of the American Manhattan Project. Initially the British project was larger and more advanced, but after the United States entered the war, the American project soon outstripped and dwarfed its British counterpart. The British government then decided to shelve its own nuclear ambitions, and participate in the American project. In August 1943, the Prime Minister, Winston Churchill, and President Franklin Roosevelt signed the Quebec Agreement, which provided for cooperation between the two countries. The Quebec Agreement established the Combined Policy Committee and the Combined Development Trust to coordinate the efforts of the United States, the United Kingdom and Canada. A British mission led by Wallace Akers assisted in the development of gaseous diffusion technology in New York. Britain also produced the powdered nickel required by the gaseous diffusion process. Another mission, led by Oliphant, who acted as deputy director at the Berkeley Radiation Laboratory, assisted with the electromagnetic separation process. James Chadwick was the head of a distinguished team of British scientists at the Los Alamos Laboratory that included Niels Bohr, P. Ailes, Frisch, Sir Geoffrey Taylor, James Tuck, and Klaus Fuchs, who was later revealed to be a Soviet atomic spy. William Penny observed the bombing of Nagasaki and participated in the Operation Crossroads nuclear tests in 1946. Cooperation ended with the Atomic Energy Act of 1946, known as the McMahon Act, and Ernest Titterton, the last British government employee, left Los Alamos on April 12, 1947. Britain then proceeded with its own nuclear weapons program to become the third country to test an independently developed nuclear weapon in October 1952.